The Infinix Smart 5 is the latest device from Infinix and the successor to the Infinix Smart 4. With 2GB of RAM, 32GB of internal storage, 5000 mAh of battery juice, 2 cameras and 5 LED flashlights. The Infinix Smart 5 is apparently a significant upgrade from the Infinix Smart 4. What's up guys, it's Victor here again, and in this video, I'll quickly unbox and review the Infinix Smart 5. I left timestamps in the description box to various sections of this video so you can use that as a table of contents. Guys, we are currently on our way to 6K, and to help me get to 6K in great time or in record time, subscribe if you are not, but if you are subscribed, please don't subscribe again. You end up unsubscribing and that will be very bad for me. Also turn on the post notification bell icon so that you'll be notified the next time and every other time I post new and awesome videos like this one. This is the Infinix Smart 5. It comes in a pretty basic green colored and yet beautiful compact box with most of the specs highlighted on it. The variant here has 32GB of storage space and 2GB of RAM, and it looks like we won't be getting 4G on this phone. It has a 5000 mAh battery that will last up to 5 days, that's according to Infinix, but we'll see how that goes. Android 10 Go edition, 6.6-inch HD plus water drop notch display. It has 2 cameras with a triple LED flash. All this for 39,000 Nigerian Nairas or $100 US. Well, 2020 must have just started getting better. Probing into the box, we have the phone itself with headline specs pasted on it and some product stickers. Inside the second compartment of the box that looks very rough and unarranged, there is a 5W charger brick. There is a micro USB cable, an earpiece, the SIM ejector tool, and an S-Club literature. There is a very hard case for the phone in the pack. Let's see how this fits. See, it's solid and fits very accurately. Except that it's too solid and too accurate. Removing it was a load of hassle. 30 minutes with my nails, scissors and teeth. Oh boy, don't try this if you don't like stress. Lastly, there is a screen protection film that I wish they applied themselves. So that's pretty everything that's in the box. At first glance, the Infinix Smart 5 looks so much like the Infinix Hot 9 Play. It is made of a polycarbonate plastic material. It looks and feels like 39,000 Naira. On the front is a 6.6 inches HD plus water drop display housing an 8 megapixel camera with minimal bezels around it, except for the bottom bezel that looks bigger. Nonetheless, the display looks way better than what we've seen from similar offerings like the itel P36 Pro and Tecno Pop 4. There are 2 flashlights flushed into the edge of the device. The left flashlight also serves as a charging and notification indicator. The display is a medium resolution beauty. On the right side of the Infinix Smart 5, the camera array is 2020 friendly. 2 cameras on top of a slightly raised rectangular mount that looks like a triple camera setup. There are only 2 cameras on the Infinix Smart 5. The last one is not a camera. The camera array hosts an 8 megapixel main camera and a quarter video graphics array camera, otherwise known as QVGA, assisted by a triple LED flashlight. Also on the back of the device is a fingerprint sensor that is justly fast and very accurate. I love the intricate glittering line pattern on the back of the device. It's nothing mind-blowing, but it's just nice that they did something extra and not leave the back design flat. The Infinix branding on the back appears like it was painted onto it with a paintbrush and masking tape and looks like something that can be easily scratched or scraped off. But hey, this is an entry-level smartphone, right? On the right side of the phone are the volume rockers sitting just above the power button. On the left side of the device is a dual SIM and memory card tray with support for 3G and 2G SIMs. At the bottom edge, you will get a microphone, a headphone jack, a micro USB 2.0 port just as expected, and a speaker grill. The roof of the device is clean. Even though the device feels cheap because of the materials used and the finishing of paint job, the device is firm, sleek and not heavy, even with a large 5000 mAh power juice inside it. Talking about the battery, the Infinix Smart 5 packs a 5000 mAh battery, which after 2 days of me using this device was still praying for the battery to die so I can do a charging test. So the battery here is impressive. Straight out of the box without me charging it, it took me through 2 days of normal phone usage. I had this phone as my primary phone for 2 days and didn't reach out for my charger. It comes with a 5W charger and charging is remarkably slow, like really slow. I got only 22% battery juice after 1 hour of charging with the included charger in the box. The pictures taken with the 13 megapixel main camera on the back came out pretty impressive for this class. Dynamic range isn't fabulous and the pictures look very soft when you zoom in. The selfie camera got me excited. Even though the pictures aren't very sharp and detailed, the color reproduction and screen processing are fairly fantastic and satisfactory for this class. There is a portrait mode that does the basic job of separating the primary subject and blurring the background. Edge detection isn't accurate. Low light photos came out very grainy with plenty of color distortions even with the flashlight in action. The max video resolution the camera can shoot is 720p. Here are some sample pictures and clips from the Infinix Smart 5. The Infinix Smart 5 runs on SoSs, which is Infinix Custom UI slapped on top of Android 10 Go edition, and comes packed with enough bloatware on unwanted apps. SoSs brings new features such as a new dark mode, bike mode, and WhatsApp mode. One feature I found very useful and interesting is the instant USSD feature that can deliver all USSD codes from mobile operators in only 1 second. Just start with a star on your keypad and it will automatically recognize the SIMs network providers and supply all their service codes. And all you need to do is to scroll and select by tapping. This is very useful when you don't have enough brain storage space to store all USSD codes. There are so many SOS features that are missing here, maybe because this is an entry-level device and the processor may not be able to carry or power all those features. It's understandable, but there's still included one feature that I love, that is being able to control music playback using gestures on the Infinix Smart 5. However, it is not the smoothest thing to do. At the heart of the Infinix Smart 5 is a 1.8 GHz MediaTek processor. The phone has 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage space. Multitasking is not so much a fluid affair. This is an entry-level device. You don't want to overload it. This color is called Praiz Cyan. About price and availability, the Infinix Smart 5 is already available in stores in Nigeria and it is being retailed at 39,000 Naira or $100. This is quite a fair price for a 2GB and 32GB smartphone with 5000 mAh powerhouse and a usable display. That's considering what 2020 has taken us through, especially in Nigeria. For a 39,000 Naira device, the pros includes a massive 5000 mAh battery, 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, which are more than enough for an average user. A very decent screen, better than what we've seen from the competition, and it comes with the latest version of Android 10 Go edition. It has pretty decent cameras, it has a fairly fast and very accurate fingerprint sensor, and it came packed with sufficient and adequate flashlights. For the cons, this device is not capable of 4G connections, consequently the internet connection on this guy will be slower. It has USB 2.0 and the UI isn't smooth with plenty of lags. The sound it produces isn't great and it comes with a very tight and hard case. So if you decide to use this case, make sure you have your scissors and your nails and your teeth ready to remove it when you want to remove it. On balance and for the records, this is an Infinix Smart smartphone that isn't so smart but capable of tackling power-intensive tasks while being pocket-friendly and available for everyone. And I would totally go with the Infinix Smart 5 over the Itel P36 Pro and the Tecno Pop 4 because the Infinix Smart 5 has a much better display and it is more responsive than that of the competition in this price bracket. Ultimately, the Infinix Smart 5 qualifies to be the ultimate budget king and it offers great value for money. Guys, what do you think about QVGA cameras on smartphones? Do you think they're actually useful or necessary, or do you think they're just mere gimmicks by manufacturing companies to complete the number of cameras on a smartphone? Do they actually serve a purpose in smartphones? I'm curious. Please let's start the conversation in the comment section below. Subscribe if you are not, like and share this video if it was helpful. Don't forget to watch other videos on the screen right now. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you when I see you in the next one. Peace.